We've come along to the Cwmbran Centre for Young People to see how the investment that we're making is going down and is being used, and I have to say I'm extremely impressed. And the young people that I've met have all been enthusiastic. They've talked about the sort of difference that the club reopening has had for them, and meeting new friends. Some of them are getting education here, and I'm really impressed with the efforts that are being made. So I think it's money very well spent indeed.
It's a good little support network. You make a good family out of it. They're not just friends, they're family sometimes.
It's like a little second home.
The funding from the OPCC has been amazing for us. It's enabled us to get the centre back open in the evenings, which has just been massively needed within this area. It's just a great opportunity for young people to socialise, make new friends in a healthy place where they can get support for anything that they need. We are very much a one-stop shop. So they can access training, make new friends, just participate in any activities that we've got going on. And all of the young people are just raving about it. From the day that we opened the doors again in the evenings, we've just had so many people in. It's between, well, it goes up to like 100 young people in the evening, so it's been a massive success.